everybody, this is Chelsie at Good Times Grooming. So today we're going to be doing this baby. She's only he's only 3 months, same as Sarge. And pretty much Dad only wanted me to do the pattern. He's growing the shirt out, so I'm not going to be doing much to that. This, as you can see, is his second groom. I believe he's chewing on me. I believe the breeders did his first. I believe they set the pattern. So today, that's what we're gonna be doing. He's a chewer, you can see this. He's absolutely adorable. So we're gonna see how this goes, because so far, just with the drying, it did not go well. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I've had so many puppies these last 2 days, and none of them were good. Hey. Oh. He does not like being rough. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be a fun one, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Like y'all know, I've been grooming 11 years now. And every time a puppy comes in, you make the automatic assumption that he's not gonna be good. You know, they don't like anything, they don't like to be messed with. So I always let the customers know I'm only gonna do what he lets me. No. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so this is gonna be fun. So the dad also mentioned that he doesn't want me to go really low on the sanitary, the butt area. The stomach is okay, but the dad doesn't like to see his booty. So we're gonna go a little bit longer there, but we're gonna take a 10, of course, everywhere else. So just to not completely freak him out, I usually take my clipper and I just run it down his body and see how he reacts. Oh, it's okay. He's gonna go right now. He's gonna keep doing this, but eventually he's gonna be like, all right, I give it. He's so big right there. He's okay. Okay, so once he starts getting relaxed like this, getting used to the noise, that's when I start to flip it over. He's a good boy. He's a good puppy. Yeah, he's a good puppy. No? He's a good puppy. Yeah. Okay, so I'm doing this right now. And you have to move slow, because if he moves, it's going to end up messing up the skirt. Or it's messing up your line, I mean. He's very dramatic, as y'all can see. I guess I can. Uh-oh. Let me see. And I'm not even touching his skin. He's just being a little cold right now. No. Stop that. Okay, so we're getting this side down. That's enough. You're okay. When your blade starts getting hot, y'all, make sure you change it. Okay, so you see I somewhat got that part. I still gotta get the butt. I'm not sure how close it's gonna let me get to that. You sure are dramatic. The thing about this is once they realize they can't do anything about it, they're gonna give up. And in this case, he can't do anything about it. So I'm gonna get the skirt on the other side. Especially when you're doing a puppy, you have to make sure you are watching every movement. Even though I'm grooming him right now, I'm paying attention to his face, his demeanor, because one wrong move and he messes it up. He messes up my line. Hey, sorry, hey. No. Yeah, one wrong move and he can mess up my line. So I'm paying really good attention to his demeanor right now, even though his demeanor kind of sucks. Now, where are you going? Okay, so this is gonna be the tough part right here, getting around his neck. Hey, good boy. Oh, that's a good boy. One thing I learned about puppies, y'all, is you gotta get it any way that you can. You know, they're gonna fight you the whole way through. Okay. Oh, it's a good boy. No, it's a good boy. Now the face is gonna be something else. And the bottom of his neck. So I'm gonna give him a break there and I'm gonna do his feet. Stop. Okay, so when they're doing this, I put my arm under their belly and I do it like that. Don't hold them too tight, you just secure them so that they don't move. Okay, so when it comes to the front, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take the front paw and bring it back. So you still have that control over their body. So we got that part done. We've got to get this skirt done. So, let's do his tummy. Alright. Get his nails done. We're so close, he don't even realize it, y'all. We're so close. His little nails here. Oh, we're good for this. Isn't that something? Sarge, I need you to let me do my job here, son. I need you to let me do it. Yeah. I tell you, whoever the breeder was that did this pattern, I have to give her props, for sure. So, I'm going to attempt to get his neck here, and he's not going to like it. So I'm going to hold him by his muzzle here. Hold him by his muzzle. Stop. It's okay. You're alright. I think it's time to stop all that. All I'm doing is I'm letting the vibration go on his neck so that he can calm down a little bit. Okay, we got one side. Let's get that other side of your neck. He sure is loud. Yeah, we're gonna do the same thing we did. Clearly, he's more comfortable with being next to me when I'm doing this. Oh, good boy. Okay. Now, the hard part. The head. And yes, I said the hard part. The rest of that was not the hard part. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. All right, y'all. So let's give him a break on the head. We're gonna go here to his butt. Yeah, look. And we're gonna scissor this just a tad bit shorter. I'm gonna round his feet. I said no. It shows you how dramatic he's being. I prefer to do old dogs because of this reason. Stop. He's not bad. He's not bad. No, he's not that bad. Okay. Let me see. Let me see. Shh. Stop. Shh. No. 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 All right, now I'm just scissoring around the ears. I want him to get used to just something on his head. But, you know, the difference in the sound and the clippers and the shear are two totally different things, clearly. I'm going to thinning shear in between his eyes because I know he's not going to let me put anything right there. No. No. Good boy. He's a good boy. No. No. Yeah. Is that how you feel? All right. So, let's see what he's gonna let me do here. So now, since he's going all crazy like that, I'm gonna do it to where he's turned away from me. He's still not gonna like it, but at least he won't see it. Because usually when they see it, that's what makes it worse. See, he keeps turning back and looking at it. That's what I don't want. Hey, no more. So, what I'm gonna do here is, when you've done this for so long, y'all, you learn some tricks. So I'm gonna take some cotton balls. Every time I turn it on, the sound of it bothers him. So I'm gonna take this cotton ball and I'm gonna put it in his ear, just like that, to drown out the noise. Okay, so now that that's in there, again, I'm gonna turn him away from me and we're gonna try it again. No. I do. Okay. That's another one. So since he does not want me to use the clippers, I'm going to attempt to thinning shear it. No. Hey. So what you see me doing right there is I'm tapping his nose, not flicking it. Do not flick it. I'm just tapping his nose to get him to calm down. No. Look, they're safe. They're not gonna hurt you, pumpkin. You're not gonna hurt. Good boy. You're a good boy. Do what you can to get the job done, y'all. Yuck. Oh, yuck. Oh, goodness. We're getting somewhere, huh? We're getting somewhere. No. No. You're doing so good. Yeah, you're doing so good. Let me clean up back here. No. Oh, I got a piece of hair stuck in my finger. Hey, stop that. No. No. It's okay. It's okay, Pumpkin. Y'all, puppies are something else. They are something else, huh? You did something else, Cindy. You're looking great. Let me see you. You're looking good so far. Let me see. Can I get this side? Let me get this side, okay? Nope. Nope. Oh gosh, you are exhausting. You are exhausting, son. Yes, you're exhausting. No. Don't let them. No, don't let them. No, don't let them. No. Now I'm just rounding out his beard a little bit. Yeah. Now. This is what I mean that y'all have to watch. Stop. Stop. Y'all have to watch every single movement. This is how so many dogs get cut because groomers aren't paying attention or they're trying to force it and not paying attention to the dog's every move. And when you don't, this is how they end up getting cut. You gotta get him comfortable with it. Even if it's gonna take you 2 hours to do the dog, we're going into 1 hour to do this dog so far, and this dog probably would have only normally taken me 30 minutes. But I have the time today. I'm gonna work slow with him today because I know that it's the safest route for me and for him. Y'all gotta remember, regardless of whether they're bad dogs or not, they're still puppies, they're still babies. No. I'm just touching you. At this point, I'm not cutting. I'm just rubbing the shears on his face. Don't lick it, don't lick it, don't lick it. Oh no. Don't lick them. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is he's having such a hard time with this part. I'm just gonna rub my finger where I need to do the shears at. I'm just gonna rub my finger there. Just for a second. So he can relax. You see how relaxed he's getting? Just so he can relax for a second. Okay, just to relax for a second. Alright. Now I'm gonna rub it with the shears. Okay, we're gonna go back to rubbing it. I'm gonna go back to it. Yeah. I know. It's such a rough day. It's such a rough day, huh? Get that out. Get it off. You like something else, little man. You like something else, little man. Said you got some gel. I'm not gonna be too successful with this one on the face. But I mean, we did what we could do. We might be able to get it a little more, of course, but these are the ones where you just have to admit defeat. All right, I'm giving you that. All right, y'all. So this is where we got to on this baby. Hopefully he's better. You know, the next haircut around. At least that's the hope. But thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Oh, remember, like, subscribe, share. Go visit us at Good Times Grooming on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you guys.